Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner prepared for Balus in Texas on its Anytone Quad 6, the at-6666. Balus got you ready to go, bud. Electrolytic cap upgrades, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrades, all my transmit and receive mods, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, etc., etc. Let's get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 2 watts. Roll it all the way up. 20, 21. Show you average power swing. Hello. That's 68 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 125 PEP. Alright, Balus, it's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate you, man. 100% long-time friend and customer. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get Truckerized today. Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.